Hi boaters, this is Max again from Nichols Marine right here in Tulsa. I've got a wonderful Chaparral 23 SSI right here on the showroom floor. This is a fantastic value for a nice young family. This boat is race red with a black bottom. You've got a tandem axle trailer with a spare tire. This is a great boat for coving out or water sports, skiing, tubing. As we walk to the back of the boat, you've got a lot of room on our rear swim platform. It's convertible. And as we walk through here, we can walk through the boat without stepping on any of the upholstery. This is a silicone-based fabric, so it's very durable. We've got SeaDek on the flooring. We have a Simrad touchscreen, nice big open bow. Like I said, this is the 23 SSI from Chaparral, water sports tower. If you'd love to see this in person, see us at nicholsmarine.com or find us at 21st and Sheridan right here at Nichols Marine. Thanks for watching.